crypto chaos with Trump's tariffs, meme coins, and market sentiment. So a lot to unpack for today regarding Bitcoin tariffs, Trump crypto initiatives, SEC enforcement scaling back, crypto market volatility. We're gonna look as well about the global crypto regulations, meme coins and market perceptions, and ethereum and altcoins news. So yes, stay until the end of this video. A lot to impact, and I'm just going to share my screen with you. So yes, articles, news, pictures, markets, fear index, sentiment. So yes, let's dive in. Right, first up guys, crypto chaos with Trump tariffs. What's happening with that? So crypto currency price, including Bitcoins, fell due to concern over potential trade wars after President Trump's tariff announcements. Bitcoin hit a 3-week low, but rebounded slightly when some tariffs were posed. Cryptocurrency are sensitive to market sentiments influenced by trade wars. And yes, the tariff impacted a lot the crypto space due to this macroeconomic and because crypto is on the riskiest side of risk assets, right? So a lot of liquidations, capitulations. So if you are still here, pat on your back because has been very tough. All right, next up, Trump crypto initiatives. Yes, so Trump crypto initiatives did a creation of cryptocurrency working group to propose new digital assets regulations and explore a national cryptocurrency stockpile. His launch of a meme coins named after himself, so the Trump token, has stirred controversy and skepticism within the crypto community. And that's true because we had a lot of that sucked all the liquidity when this happened. After Trump tokens creation, we had the Melania, so his wife tokens, and it has affected the market drastically with all the small coins, meme coins, layer ones like bigger project. All the liquidity was sucked and went into those coins. So big shift of the capital and affecting on short term, mid-term, pretty much like all projects, you know. So including myself and you. So if you are still here, just really pat on your back because it has been tough. All right, next one, SEC enforcement. SEC has begun scaling back its crypto enforcement efforts, resigning staff from its cryptocurrency focus unit. This shift follows Trump's more lenient stance toward digital assets, which had previously faced heavy scrutiny. So if you are just new, we went through like many years of struggle by the SEC that wanted to protect the investor or make it like very difficult for innovations that happened in the US. So now with this resigning of staff and the Trump focusing on the digital assets in the US, is gonna be very helpful and great for the crypto community and for the space overall, for Web3 and so on. So this is very great. On a big picture, it's gonna be great. We've been affected with this current situation in the market with the macroeconomic, with the trade wars, but this is just temporary, and we will see from there. Next up, let's dive in with the crypto market volatility. So the crypto market has been significant volatility with Bitcoin nearing record highs amid regulatory announcements from the Trump administrations. The SEC recent moves to develop a regulatory framework have been met with cautious optimism, though analysts warn a continued volatility until concrete policies are established. So yes, that's just the beginning. They are not gonna do everything from day one, but they're working toward, this move. So it's gonna take a few months and years, but we're heading into the right directions. All right, next up, global crypto regulations. In India, is reconsidering its cryptocurrency stance due to evolving international international policies, especially after US announcements under Trump. This may delay the regulatory discussions, reflecting a global shift toward more open digital asset policies and not like CBDC, central banks. You're gonna see India and China always in the news that we're banning and banning, banning and banning. So it's not new, but finger crossed this one is a good one. Next up, news about like the meme coin space and the market perception. So since Trump's involvement with meme coins has led the backlash from some conservative investors and crypto enthusiasts. Yes, a lot of people have been affected and lost a lot of money, who worry it may undermine the sector credibility by associating it with high-risk speculative investments. Yes, when you go in, it's not a surprise, it's very risky. I think the picture can tell by itself. So all the time, do your own research, risk management in place, that's very important. So that's why I always try to encourage people to stick and watch my video. I always try to give some good information, but yeah, very speculative, but it is what it is. People love risk, we are humans, so yes. But yeah, take all the time with a grain of salt that do your own research, and I'm not financial advice. Okay, news with Ethereum and altcoins. So Ethereum and major altcoins like Dogecoins declined with the tariff news, but have shown recovery signs. Focus is on how economy policies will impact these volatile assets. It's gonna recover. We went through like even more difficult times. Even if this one you can count like among the worst in terms of capitulations and how people has been wrecked. But look, that just test on resilience, and it's just amazing. We are decentralized. This is just amazing to see, even if it's painful, but we learn on most valuable lessons during difficult times and tough times. So that was like the news overall of what's going on. If you found value, just drop a like, follow the channel just to support my work, and just let's grow this amazing community and this tech where we're hedging. You can find me on YouTube, on TikTok, and on Twitter as well. So now this one, what this picture says. So this is like Bitcoin has 32 halvings, and we are only on in 2024 halvings, only we've seen 4. So we are really more to go to all the block rewards of the rest of the Bitcoin that need and going to be mined by miners, because remember, it's proof of work and it's back energy and electricity just to mining those blocks, resolve and solve those mathematical problems, those puzzles, and if they solve it, they earn the reward. So it starts with 50, and then in 16, like 2016, went all the way to cut in half by 12, then 6, then 3, and in 2028 it's gonna be 1.5 basically. So still like a long way to go. It's gonna be a long fight. Next up, so this is just the bigger base and the bigger the breakout's gonna be. So as you can see, this is like a ETH charts on a weekly, and we've been bouncing, always making a higher low, my bad. And the longer the sideways, the better is gonna be the impact, because we've been here for quite some time. So when we break it either up or down, expect major move. And as a bigger picture, where we've been for the past few weeks and months, even like big layer, big protocols, like really stronger, that survive multiple seasons and difficult times, I've been lagging like very far. Like from Bitcoin we were straight to meme coins, degen modes, and very high risk assets. So when we break either up or down, expect big moves. You can find me as well on TikTok as well, so follow me there. A lot of people follow me here, and it's just amazing. Do live stream too. Okay, so according to the report, Bitcoin whales inflow to exchanges have plateaued this month, with on-chain data suggesting a potential continuation of the bull run, as historical trends indicate declining whales deposit often precedes price rallies. Yes, because we have like suppressions of price, not much Bitcoin or other assets that has been accumulating from the whales, from the weak hands, and usually that's tend to have like a move on the way. That's when you follow my channel, I show you a lot of good indication from the whale alert that I'm doing, from the news that I'm following, from like the charts and data, on-chain analysis, and macroeconomy. We can see we have ETFs, we have ETF that's keep buying from over-the-counter, OTC, but OTC one day or another, they will run out. So they're going to need to buy straight from big exchanges, from straight to the source. And if you don't have like any supply, shock supplies, and you get the points. Price movements up or down, time will tell, but yes. Now, as you can see, just on a daily, we had like big moves, half. Some of them, you can see, like for example, like Solana -3, but some other like a layer 0, like Polkadot 3% up. Some other injectives, yeah, a quant as well, hyped. You know, this is like a kind of DEX, a new one from recently. News as well has been pumping from Litecoins, like a Disney coin, similar than Bitcoins. That you can find a few posts that I posted on my Twitter as well. And overall, yes, on a daily, yes, red, you see. Overall, like for the past few weeks, we've just been like recovering from these big capitulations that affect a lot. A lot of people are in a max pain, but you know, we like pain, we like suffer because we learn valuable lesson, and then you are grateful for what we went through. So if you're still here, just never give up. Drop a like just to support the channel. We know on my channel, we're doing this for bigger purposes than me. And I think it's just amazing to help each other. I'm just gonna refresh the page for you just to show you. So yeah, you see, we have a Bitcoin at $95,000, $96,000. So it had like a drop from the CPI as well. By the way, this drop that we had from Bitcoins and other assets was as well from the bad number of the CPI from the Fed. And there was like a bit dovish where they say, no, we're not gonna drop, with the inflation, we're not gonna print money, like kind of forgettable to bull run. So the market didn't like much, and because sooner or later the market gonna pump not only from this, but it usually tend to be a good reason when new money coming in, and because then like investor go more in the riskier assets, Bitcoin, crypto, or other as well, real estate. And but yes, and the dollar is very, very strong at the moment, so it's very high at the moment. It's gonna need to maybe weak at some point. That would be nice. So yes, Bitcoin 95, Ethereum $2,600 roughly. We got like XRP at 244, didn't move much. We have some news from BNB. A few things happening on chain. BNB still alive though, and now it's like a $719. Solana dropped even more, 190 now. That was like a little bit above for 200. Dogecoin 25 cents, Cardano 77 cents, Tron and Chainlink. So yes, average, like sometimes you win some, you lose some, bit sideways, not like those crazy sentiment market. But you remember, guys, a lot of in the market, and I say, guys, the market is not over. The job is not finished, guys. We have more to go, a leg up more. They try to shake a lot of people. So just stay in, keep investing in yourself, keep learning, keep watching my video, other videos, just stay focused. They try to get you out. So only the strong one survives. Now, perfect example from 35 that we were like a few days ago. Now we jump back to 50. So we are not in the altcoin seasons, as you can see in this graph, and we are not on this Bitcoin. So it's like either like in the between. So it's not good sideways, and that reflects the price, the sentiment, the toxicity, the no matter good news that we have, like we kind of who cares, you know, price doesn't affect and reflect it. So sooner or later, good news gonna pump, and we're just gonna have either way. Either way, guys, no matter if we go from on the altcoin season way or Bitcoin seasons, it's gonna pump. Like I think like we're going to have a good retracements from altcoins because it has been very wrecked. So no matter what, the first one's gonna do good. It may have like in terms of Bitcoin dominance drop it if we go on the altcoin sides, but if even like if Bitcoin pumping, we're going to have a good reflections in this price as well for the altcoins as a good relief. It's needed. It's needed. We are strong. We have so many news coming in every day. So it has to, you know, it has to, you know, no matter how much manipulation we have, suppression of price. Yes. So you get my points. Yes, you know, yeah, 50 in the grids. Yes, so you can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Twitter, you can find me on TikTok. I'm posting every day short contents, news, following whales, where's the money going. I think it's just amazing just to keep to do like news every day. And I think it's important. I'm just gonna flip back, you know, my little camera. So yes, if you like, just drop a like, follow me, the channel, and just share with a friend, you know. Sharing is caring in this life. And on that note, I wish you to have a fantastic day whenever you are, and I will talk to you soon and do a video live stream as well, probably tonight. So see you then. Goodbye guys. Goodbye.